Dear everyone, I am back today with some more interesting facts on dreams. We know why we sleep, and of course, it's to restore our energy. And also, we know that we can accurately find meaning and interpret our dreams, however trivial they are or however little we remember of them. And for the energy part, the energy that we lose in our waking hours, we gain it by sleeping. But even after sleeping well, if you still feel fatigue or somewhat less enthusiastic, or call it morning sickness, it might also be because you've been dreaming more in your sleep. Since dreaming involves your brain activity, it loses energy. Our brain utilizes more than 20% of its overall energy to fuel out thoughts alone. The brain is busy with different thinking wave patterns each second throughout the day. But the brain doesn't shut off during night also. The brain keeps on emitting thought wave frequencies where your involvement in it is to visualize your own thoughts in the form of dreams. The brain keeps on consuming as much energy as it does in the day, also in sleep, because the neurons still keep on constantly communicating even over there. And because the brain keeps on functioning even during night, including other functions as to transmitting informations through electrical signals, so you tend to lose energy. This happens mainly because of the interference of the mind, that is, due to the various thoughts in the mind. So, it's the mind that consumes a major portion of the brain's energy. Since dreaming is an act of the play of thoughts, lot of energy gets fueled out. Now, anyhow, daytime you are busy in different activities, but at night also you're again busy watching movies inside. So, you lose energy while dreaming. But you may think that every night almost everyone dream. Yes, of course, sure. Then how to restore back this energy? See, dreaming happens in intervals. Also, deep sleep happens in intervals. And it is in this state of deep sleep does the body gain optimal energy. The state of deep sleep is a state of which the mind's total disappearance happens. It is also the state which is called as a delta state or the samadhi state. The only difference is the samadhi happens in awareness and deep sleep happens in unawareness. The biological role of sleep is not fully understood by researchers because even the most advanced machines fail to track the mind in deep sleep. Then where does the mind disappear? And how will it restore back its energy? In deep sleep, the mind dips itself in the ocean of supreme consciousness and comes back fully charged. Many neurons in the brain slows down from their waking state to sleep state. But this alone is not enough to regain energy because even when you are injected with anesthesia, still your brain keeps consuming energy. Or it at least utilizes half of the energy. And the only way to feel refreshed and to gain energy is to have a good deep sleep. And for one to have a healthy body and mind, one has to have a sound sleep, which means one has to undergo the different intervals of the deep sleep state every night. Because this is the state where you lose yourself totally, which means the state where you lose your individuality completely. Individuality still remains in a subtle form as long as the mind is active in the form of dreams. The mind is active even in the dream state, but it disappears only in the deep sleep state. In your dream state, though you forget yourself, you still are noveling your memories. But it's only in the deep sleep state you are total nothingness. You are one with the supreme consciousness. There you drink the nectar of life and come back refreshed every night. Now let's see why dreams are in a novel form or in a metaphorical form, which are always tagged with abstract meanings with them. But why aren't they straightforward? Why is this so? Actually, in dreams, the medium of words are less utilized, whereas our thoughts and emotions get picturized artistically. And though many of you are not capable of storytelling, yet in dreams you weave a huge fabric of lengthy stories with just a single fiber of thought. In your waking hours, on hearing or feeling or sensing something of the sort of fear, just a single thought of fear in your waking hours, you may weave a lengthy horror movie inside. Sometimes you even live an entire life of fear in just a few minutes of dream. A single emotion or a single thought can get magnified to such an extent. But appreciatingly, even without your knowledge, each one of you have such great creative ability to fabricate stories within you. But why does your thought weave stories abstractly? That's a question. And why isn't not straightforward? Why is this so? Actually, even when our eyes see outside images, the picture is first captured in the retina upside down. Even our physical eyes capture the outside images invertedly first and sends it to the brain then. The brain then tilts it and allows us to see things upright. In the same way, our inner eye too sees the dreams in an abstract form, or to say, in an inverted form. And only after we wake up, our brain adds meaning to those abstract images and makes us understand them upright. Also, many of us dream in black and white, or many of us dream in color. Usually, when you are dwelling still in the thought stage of mind, or to stay in the topmost layer of mind, then your dreams appear in black and white. Or if you dwell in the emotional layer of your mind, which is a deeper layer of your mind, then your dreams appear in color. And all those dreams that foretell your future appear also in color. And okay for now, and see you next week with another interesting topic. Thank you.